All right, ladies and gentlemen, I came here to give a little preface to this pro tip I'm going to show you here in a minute. And as I was checking my channel, I've surpassed 100 subscribers. So that's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. And keep doing what you're doing, and I'll try to keep doing what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to show you this video, but I really need you to do as I say, not so much as I do. Put you on some safety glasses, probably a respirator. Shortly after recording the video, it became painfully obvious that safety glasses should have been a thing, and the respirator really wouldn't have hurt. A lot of that bleach actually gets up and going in the air. I never even thought about the fact that there's bleach in the toilet bowl cleaner, even though it says so right on the label, but I wasn't paying attention. I was excited. The shower came clean. So check out the video. Give me a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you tried it. Tell me whether or not it worked. I don't know if you should try power brushing bleach into grout that's not white, but if it works for you, give me a like, give me a comment, share it with somebody you know that has to clean nasty showers, and let me know if it worked for you. Again, safety is your responsibility, so wear you some eye protection and maybe a respirator. Cool. Thank you. Okay, so I just got introduced to a new trick by my sister-in-law who does Airbnb cleanings and all kinds of stuff. Clean is her thing. So I got me this here fancy pants scrub brush. You can get them on Amazon. This one actually came from the auto parts store, but that's what I had in the garage. And toilet bowl cleaner to get soap scum and crap off the shower. And we've been showering in the same place for 13 years, and well, I got 3 boys, and it gets kind of nasty. It is what it is. So I'm going to show you how it works. Take the soap, smear it all on the wall. I got some area over there that you can see the soap scum, all kind of funky chunky monkeys. Let's see, where's a good spot? How about right there? You see that spot right there? See how it's got all that funky stuff in it? Give it a shot. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think.